Hello Telegram users, want to update your age on Telegram? It's quick and easy to do it right from your PC. Let me show you how in just few simple steps. First, open Telegram on your PC. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on My Account. You will see the birth date section. Click on it to update your age. Make sure to input your correct date of birth. You can adjust it based on your preferences. Once you are done, click Save. Have any questions about updating your info on Telegram? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have updated your age on Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.